Okay, for XRP, this is what I see. I am going to start with the weekly because it's been having some good weeks. So I want to kind of look at over it. Right away, if you could sell. The bottom one is my volume indicator, so it's telling me how much volume, how many orders are coming in. If it's white, is neutral. If it's green, is buying power. When it's red, it's selling power. So it tells me when the volume is high, let's say like this white one, but it's high, but it's red. That means the volume people are selling. So when things people are selling, usually the banks, because they're the ones that move the money and move the markets. What does it tell you? Move, get out, or get into a sell position. Correct? So here it's already showing us, here's already showing us that we already hit a resistance. That's why we have this red thing right over XRP. This is a resistance. Then you have my little arrow, my red arrow, telling me that we already hit the high of the market. So this got as high as the market at 77 cents 19. So okay. Right now, this candle right here, where you see my thing, this shows the daily candle, or where we're at today. So it's telling me that we are close to either continue to go down, if we haven't gotten down, or we're about to start seeing a reversal. Okay, so let's go to my daily. Exactly like I said, it already pulled back down. It hit a resistance right here, S1. You see where it hit it right here. So the system, it automatically calculates the supports and the resistance. So like here, it started on resistance 2. So usually it's gonna tell me that this should go down all the way to support 1, and then if it's in support 2, it's gonna go to resistance 3. It's mathematical. Okay, so here it shows them that there's volume. So there was a buying power that came in, then it slowed down. So right now, as of the 30th, as a new time started, there's no volume coming in yet. Okay. So far it's consistent at the 61 cents. Okay. So let's go into the 4 hour. The 4 hour, the highest it got in the 4 hour was at 78. And that was back on the 24th of this month, 6 days ago almost. Okay. The low was the 26th, the day before Thanksgiving. So we hit the low, double low, boom, bounced off. It hit support. Okay, here we are at S2. So here we're gonna hit up to R3 and bounce back down. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour frame. Okay, if you see from 1 hour frame, it already started going down. Volumes coming in, it already hit the support, it started coming down. So I would see this is coming down to maybe around here. The DVP, that's the daily percentage value pivot. So it takes a lot of candles and it gives me a value. So I try when I come in orders, I try to stay around that value, because price dictates from there. It jumps out. It's like the pivot point. You know what I mean? So for me, that's are some of my sniper entries. Okay, so we know this is going down. It's about to go down right here. We're getting volume, neutral volume, but my other indicator showing that it's about to tick over. Let's go to the 5 minute. The 5 minute, it already tipped down. It's already going down. It hit a resistance. It's going to hit this support area and it's going to bounce back. Why do I know that? Because right here, this is going to start going down in a little bit. Boom, look at that. And that's what I call my red tops. My red tops or my green bottoms are usually indication with my system to show us when they're coming back down. So that's about it.